Hey folks, D-Swizzle here. Here with the facilities fellas. Got Kyle behind me and Big E is somewhere. He's gonna be joining us. We're going on a bit of a field trip to my favorite tractor store, CH Waltz Sons, for their open house. They have a session being led by the one and only Gus Barrett on preventative maintenance for tractors. And we're going for some continuing education. We're gonna pile into the camp truck, which is a 3-seater, and there's 3 of us. I called driver, and join us. All right, folks, here we go. We're going for a drive in the camp truck, and Kyle and Ethan have actually been killing it this week. I have had a couple days off, and I've been very grateful to them. I've been able to keep track of them by the camera. By our little job assignment at base camp to see all the tasks that they've been knocking off the list. There's a whole big list of them, and now for their reward, they get to go to school. But it's tractor school, tractor store school, so it's no school like the tractor store. Cool. You guys have anything to say?
I don't know if I can add to that. I'm just here for the ride.
Okay.
Perfect.
Awesome. Here we go. Stop record button. And so that's what I think would be the solution for this whole Ukraine situation.
I think that'll solve all of the world's problems, actually.
Yep. So here we are pulling into my favorite tractor store, CH Waltz Sons, and we're gonna park here in front. We got kind of the exclusive, closest to the door parking. That's because they like us a lot. Got Kyle slinging the camera. Thanks, Kyle. All right, let's head on in. Turn camera on. All right, so I'm here with my good friend, Gus. Here he is. He's about to teach us a class about how to keep our tractors from breaking, right? Or how to identify when they are broken. All right, Gus works here at CH Waltz Sons. He does a lot of things. He's always pretty dirty. Sometimes he's behind the counter selling things, parts and tractors. Sometimes he's fixing the tractors. Can you say hi to my many subscribers? Gus?
Is this going online?
This is going on D-Swizzle.
Oh, no. On D-Swizzle?
D-Swizzle, yeah.
Is that a thing?
Yeah. All right. Well, can't wait for this class to start. I got a good seat here in the front, but the facilities fellows are kind of arranged in the way that they're arranged back there. So we're looking forward to this starting.
One of the things we stress to our customers is the importance of a break-in service, because a lot of our service comes to us by the way of selling things. So we sell new equipment and try to have customers come back. Break-in service. So
we had a great class about preventative maintenance with Mr. Gus Barrett. We learned about greasing stuff and how to prevent expensive fixes. And now we're gonna demo a Toro Dingo TX525. Pretty excited about that. So you're gonna get some footage of Ethan and Kyle driving around, having a good time. Maybe testing the ditch witch out, trenching a little bit, probably not. That's gonna be some good footage, I think. Turn off.
if you want to do some dirt, Davis, if you go out past that blue dumpster, you can kind of go up on the hill a little bit.
Okay.
Be careful.
Yeah. And we'll bring it back.
Well, ideally.
All right. So, thanks, Gus. Yeah, we will. Yeah. So the directions are here, but you just move that around. Your throttle right there. Ethan's giving the Dingo a try here. Oh, this is kind of wonky because I'm rotating as he's rotating. and go dig some dirt. Yeah, Ethan, dirt digging. Now some dirt dumping. Way to dig that dirt. Yeah. We're getting Waltz's rental unit a little muddy. Ethan's like, best field trip ever. And Kyle's like, worst field trip ever. It's cool. Behind Kyle, you see the K80 excavator that we rented the other week, and I made a video and I didn't post it because I didn't film everything I needed to for it. Some expert instruction here being given by Ethan, who did a great job digging that dirt. Now Kyle's having a go at it. Throttling up. Here it goes, moving in. Dig that dirt. Dig it good. Dig it real good. Or just dig it normal. Don't worry, we'll edit it out. We'll edit it out. Kyle going for the more finesse thing. He's like, I want a square gallon of dirt. And he got himself a square gallon of dirt. All right, hey, thanks Waltz's for hosting us today for our Facilities Fellas field trip. Ethan is hiding behind me. There he is. We had a good time learning about preventative maintenance with Gus, and then run around on the little Dingo. What a cool little machine. And Kyle is here too. So like and subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Ordering the merch. Getting ready. So share it with your friends. Let's hit 200K someday. All right.
Awesome.
Bye now.
You know.